Fox of the World.
And remember set phrases as well.
Yes, I have no idea about words.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go to Kern. It's only 159k.
Ah, you're going there tomorrow.
Hello, welcome to Luxembourg. Yeah, we are going to a place called Wasserbilling and then further on where it's supposed to be further.
Just see past you?
Don't go now.
No. We've been on this side of the car, sometimes it's a little more difficult to see what's coming from there. They come from Cork! Yay!
This is Elke Sommer, or also known as Elke Sem. And this is Steve Pivot, who you may remember from such episodes as McDonald's in Shanghai.
Yes.
And where the hell are they? We were supposed to meet here at this train station 20 minutes ago.
Gorgeous place, isn't it?
Isn't it lovely? It's brilliant. I'm quite hungry. Do you want some lunch?
Yeah, sure. Where's the centre of town, do you think?
I think it's over that in direction.
Okay.
Cool. Let's go.
Ebersberg today, where Hannes has just won the first point of the game. It's 1-0 yellow. Here we go. Serve over the net comfortably. Blue, keep it in play. Oh. Oh yes. 2-0. They should just forfeit now, Blue. They really should. They cannot stop the power of Hannes, and who's Hannes' partner?
Linda.
Linda, oh, of course. I already knew that. Oh, yeah. Linda's serve was very good, caught them on the hop there.
Are they allowed to hit it as many times as they like?
Three is it.
Three. Oh, yeah.
Three is the clarifying the volleyball rules. Someone touched it, and it's another point to Hannes.
Is it?
Hannes and Linda.
It's against him because he had to hit it back.
No, but the blue touched the net.
Yeah, but he tried to block it and then it came over the other side.
Then why did they slap hands?
They just do that after every
It's friendship.
Oh. Hello, Fox of the World. Here we are, Augsburg. Augsburg. started, but I'm here to meet a guy called Alex who has a car who's going to Geneva, where I'll be picked up, you know, touch wood, everything going according to plan, by Fabrice. So he's due here in the next 10 to 15 minutes. Fingers crossed that I find him. I'm waiting here as instructed by Alex at Burger King at the Augsburg Hauptbahnhof. I've had a lovely Subway for lunch, and now we play the little waiting game. It's Augsburg Hauptbahnhof. Burger King. Hello. Bienvenue à la France. This is Fabrice. Fabrice Barreté. Et Laurie Keat.
Ouais.
Laurie
D'accord,
Keat.
ici.
So we are on our way to Ivoire.
Bah ouais, tu m'étonnes.
No? No Ivoire. Oh, Ivoire. Fabrice says Ivoire.
Hein?
Laurie does not. Because she is on the phone to someone else.
Personne. Et toi?
Ah, c'est un bonjour pour le Johnny.
Ah oui, putain, on va
Pour la voiture. This is Fabrice with la glace menthol. Menthe. Ah, oui. C'est bon? Lac Lamont? And up here. C'est Laurie und Elodie.